So this is how to replace the engine air filter on a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. This is the housing right here and the filter is inside. So the first thing you want to do is just kind of tug up on the housing because it sits on 3 ball clips. So you want to loosen that and it will make the next step a lot easier. Next you want to take a pair of pliers and squeeze down on this clamp so that then you can pull the hose back. And you need to do this on the inlet, which is this side, and on the outlet as well. The final step in disconnecting the filter housing is to take this hose off here. So you just kind of need to push it back. And I'm going to do this with 2 hands, which I can't do while I'm holding the phone. There, now that that hose is disconnected and your outlet and your inlet hose are disconnected and it's off of the clips, it's essentially just the whole housing comes out now. So you can just set it down and flip it over. You'll see you've got these 2 screws here which you need to unscrew. Screwed those screws, you can look at the sides and you've got these tabs here, so you just kind of push in there, push in here, and push the cover up, and then it's the same on the other side. Just 2 more tabs, push, push, and there's your filter. So then you can just do a direct swap and do all the steps in reverse, and that's your engine filter replaced on a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta.